Hello, my name is Johan Punchiheva and I will be doing a video review of Dulana Hansisi's coursework 1 work in progress video for the Advanced Interactive Media Development module. His storyline starts off as a food court that is run by three self-employed ladies, Claire, Stephanie and Matilda. And the player character that Dulana has created is an Uber Eats rider who has to pick up two meal packets from two different adjacent cafes for two different customers. But the rider is puzzled as there is no name given to either cafe and is only provided with the food court name and the location given through the app. So the Uber Eats driver has to talk to two male characters to figure out which is the correct cafe for the correct order. And as a driver does this, the customer can either rate both the driver or the cafe with a good or bad review, as if the rider gets late to deliver the food or to pick up the food from the cafe, the customer can give a negative review. The challenge in this video, challenge presented in this video, is that the user or the player character should find the right shop to pick up the right order and the right parcel as quick as possible before the time runs out, by talking to two male characters and as well as the shopkeepers. The positive comments I would like to give Dulana is that his storyline is understandable and it is really easy and practical, as it is related to everyday scenarios and examples in real life, therefore making this story more practical. And it is also a very unique way of implementing this container cafe model. The challenge he has created for the user is a good start, as it is allowing for more deeper and broader conversations between the rider and the two male characters that will help him to find the correct cafe to pick up the correct order. He has also mentioned a scoring system using the rating feature and included a timer to keep the challenge interesting. And the character animation list has been identified properly with a variety of expressed emotions during his interactions, as I will show now. As you can see, these characters all have simple and basic animations for now, and each character has different one or two different animations to express their specific personalities and different character animations. He also has a great understanding on how to use Motion Builder and Unity, as he has successfully imported the Stephanie character into Motion Builder, added a story, added the animation to the story, and exported and imported to Unity. I would also like to commend him for his video quality is also good, and the audio is very clear and easy to listen to without any distractions. Next, I would like to give him a few improvements and suggestions of my own. The character role for Matilda is not clearly specified in the video, as she just mentioned to be an employee, while the other two characters, other two shopkeepers, are mentioned as a shopkeeper. So my suggestion would be to mention Matilda as either a chef or whomever character you desire to be specified clearly in the next submission. Also, I would like to suggest that the rider should deliver both the orders in one ride, as it will be more of a challenge for the user to pick up both orders from both cafes in a selected time frame. Next is that I want to show that the Claire character and the old man character models do not really fit the theme set by the other characters, because as you can see, the Claire character is a bit more animated, and the Claire and the old man character is a bit more animated than Matilda or or the Stephanie or Malcolm or the middle-aged man. So I would like to suggest that he would try to replace those models with a proper realistic model from Mixamo, or even create his own through Adobe Fuse. Next, I would like to suggest is that the player character to remain in first person, as he has mentioned earlier in the video. This would be a vital viewpoint for the user to know uh, to to realize that the interaction is mostly with the other characters. Also, I'd like to tell him to suggest Dulana to include more challenges or obstacles for further story development and to keep it interesting. Last but not least, I would like to suggest Dulana to consider the environment, consider whether the player would be navigating the environment to reach the customer as the time runs out, or whether it would just be a change in scene indicating a fixed time that has lapsed to reach the customer. Overall, I would like to say that Dulan has done an amazing work so far, and he has also understood all the tutorials and showed creativity by developing a story as unique as this. Dulana, I hope you finish the story and the game in the given deadlines, as I am very interested in playing your game and to see any further developments you made. Kudos to you for all you've done so far, and I bid you good luck with the rest of the work. Thank you.